Hi, this is Matt from Weekends RV Rental in Sonoma, California, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the outdoor barbecue. Now this is one of my favorite features on this RV because the barbecue is actually built in to the wall of the RV and it runs off the propane tank that's built into the RV as well, so you don't need to bring an extra tank. It's a genius and I love it. I use it all the time. I hardly ever cook indoors anymore because I can use this. So let me show you the process of how to do it. So it's going to be located in this bay right here, and it's going to be in this black bag right here. Now I'll just tell you right out up front, the zipper is broken, doesn't matter, it's okay. All right, so what you're going to do is come down here. This is your gas hose, take that out. The barbecue, take it out. And this is the frame that it sits in, okay? This is up on the frame, all right? So what you're going to do is, you see this groove right here? It's going to slide into this groove from out here. So just line it up and make sure you get both edges in and just slide it in. Like so, okay? And then what it's going to do is it's going to rest on top of this. Now the next thing you need to do, grab the barbecue, and what you're going to do is, where the controller is, you're going to dip that in so that it clears, and then once that's done, boom, pops right into place. Okay? Next thing you need to do is attach the gas. Okay? You look down here to the left of the exhaust, you'll see this little port here. Okay? Pull that rubber plug out. This end attaches here. Now if you've ever attached a gas line, you have to push this brass part back, push this in at the same time, pull it back. You'll hear it snap in, okay? Then you attach this end, goes right here. Again, the same thing, pull it back until it snaps in, push it forward, okay? Easy enough. Okay, now we have it fully connected, it's time to turn the gas on. So what you're gonna need to do is first make sure the main propane tank is on, which is over here. Open this up, turn this all the way on, open it all the way, then turn back a half quarter of a turn. Close that back up. I come back over here. Now, just so you know, there's a fire extinguisher located just to the right of this door right here. So, just so you know, I'm sure you won't need it, but good place to know. Think about it ahead of time. That's where the fire extinguisher is. Okay, so we're ready to barbecue. So what we're going to do is, first we need to turn the gas on down here. There are two levers you need to turn. The first lever is down here. When it is in line with the gas hose, that is on. There's a second one over here. Okay, so now we have gas going to the dial. Now, you always want to make sure your lid is open before you start to light it, okay? Otherwise, if you leave the lid closed and you turn the gas on and you go to light it, you're going to get a big surprise. It will literally blow up in your face, so don't do that. So make sure this is open. Then you're going to turn this to low. And at the same time, you're going to go down here and you're going to light the from underneath. You're going to light it from the second hole from the back. And just turn this on. And it's on. That's it. From there, what I recommend is turn up the heat. Yeah, you can feel it. It's really cooking. Okay? And then what I like to do, close this, let it heat up for a while, let it sanitize itself. You might wonder why it's dirty inside. I used to be the editor-in-chief of barbecue.com. You never want to totally clean a grill. all of that leftover cooking from years and years of use actually enhances the flavor of the food. It's okay to clean the outside, but don't clean the inside. All you want to do on the inside is scrub the grill and make sure that's clean. Okay, but first, let it heat up for a few minutes at high heat, and then once it's super hot, then you can scrub the grill. The same place where the lighter is a scrubber for the grill as well, just right here in this little box over here. Okay, and that's it. Once you're done, go ahead and just turn it off. When it's time to remove it, just reverse the process. Make sure you turn the gas off from the main. Turn these off as well on both sides. Pull these off. Take this off. Okay. Make sure the grill is nice and cold before you remove it. Again, you want to get that angle down. Just dip it down. Put that on the ground. This just slides off. So easy. And this goes in first. This goes on top. Then just coil this up. Put it near the side. Loop this over. Then all you're going to do is just pick it up and put it back in here. That's it. That's how you use the barbecue on this 25-foot Jayco Greyhawk RV. You're going to love this. Thanks for watching.